Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with a new question. 2 whole 1 by 4 plus 3 whole 3 by 4. This question can be solved in short time as we can write it 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 plus 3 by 4. Now 2 and 3 can be added, so it will become 5. Add 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 1. So our answer will be 6. Now we can solve it with long method. So 4 is multiplied with 2 and then 1 is added. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 4 is multiplied with 3 plus 3. So 4 times 3 is equal to 12 plus 3 divided by 4. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 by 4 and 12 plus 3 is equal to 15 by 4. So LCM will be 4, 9 plus 15. 15 plus 9 is equal to 24 divided by 4. So it will be 6. In both cases, answer is 6. And this is a tricky way and this is actual solution. Thank you.